What's the meaning of cowling? Cowling. Cowling.
Cowling. Cowling. A cowling is a cover or casing that is used to protect and streamline an object, typically an engine or motor. Its primary purpose is to enhance the aerodynamics of the object by reducing drag and improving airflow efficiency. Cowling can be found on various transportation vehicles like airplanes, boats, and cars. The design and shape of a cowling are crucial for the functionality and performance of the object it's protecting. Without cowling, objects would experience more drag and decreased efficiency, which could result in higher fuel consumption and decreased speed.